Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 212 Star Drop opening during the Brawl Together event. So we still have double Star Drops, so let's see what we have.
Super rare.
Super rare, 100 coins.
Rare.
Ultra rare, 50 coins.
Super rare.
Super rare, 50 card points.
Rare.
Rare, 50 coins.
Rare.
Rare, 50 coins.
Rare.
And a rare, 50 coins. A whole lot of 50 coins. Let's see what we got going in the shop. So we have some coin offers, power points, and the hypercharge. Again, I really suggest you don't buy hypercharges because in an event where you get a guaranteed hypercharge, if you have them all, you only get 1,000 coins and they're worth 5,000. So you're really just kind of reducing the amount you can earn, and it sucks. For the daily freebie, we have 10 power points and 15 coins. Again, it's not even to mention the fact that it's so hard to get by coins these days. So, let's see what we got going on in events. I don't think anything special is going on. Again, the only thing to keep in mind is that we're still in the Brawl Together event, so make sure to get in for Mastery Madness and Coin Shower, and get as many coins as you can, because it's really hard to get coins nowadays. I'm getting pretty close to my kit mastery, so I'll probably finish that off today. But other than that, as of today, I have 14,000 XP doublers and 27,759 power points. Again, if I could convert all those power points to coins, I'd do it without hesitation. Just saying. Yeah guys, let me know if you're enjoying the event. Also, one thing I should mention quick, because I just saw it today, is if you guys were triggered about this,
Time for some real action.
they mentioned they'll be nerfing Larry and Laurie tomorrow, so if you guys want to get more mastery or trophies on them, make sure to do it literally tonight, because I imagine they're going to be putting out the nerfs sometime tomorrow morning. So yeah, let me know if you guys are happy about that, and let's see how far I can take this.